Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you my grapevines, how do they grow. And those grapevines, what we do a lot of dishes with this. So what I wanted to say that those vines, they grow like crazy because the way that I give them fertilizer, which is the fertilizer, I have to say that on my site, on my channel, when you go, you'll see how I feed my plants. So this is a grapevine. I want to show you how big it is when it comes to my hands. There you go. So usually I pick them every year and I make them very delicious food with those leaves. And I have to prepare them today. Very delicious grape leaf stuffing. So I want to show you how they grow. It just started the season, and this is the way, if I leave them a little bit, that's the size do they get. I think you have to really try to feed your plants very good fertilizer, which I give them chicken manure, but I prepare them. Like I said, if you go to my site, to my channel, you will see how the fertilizer that I give and I feed them. I'm so proud of my plants. I have almost like 32 plants, and they all grow wild and big, and I can't kill them, I can't get rid of them. So I hope that you'll check that and you will raise your beautiful plants. They give a lot of fruit. It's just the season started and they have started to give little baby grapes, which if I see it, I will show you. But anyway, let me show you my other grape leaves. And each grapevines, they give tons of leaves. Look how beautiful and big they are. Let me see if I think I can even cover my face like a fan. Look at the size of it. You can't even see my face. That's how beautiful they are. And already, like over here, I can see it just started the grapes. You can bring it closer so they can see. This is the grapes. It just the season starts, and this is how they grow. Take good care of your vines and your plants, so they'll give you good fruits and good anything that you like to eat. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.